DJI is about to launch a completely new drone lineup, and the DJI Lito X1 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting beginner drones of 2026. This is not just a small upgrade, it looks like DJI is creating a new category between budget and mid-range drones with better camera quality, smarter features, and a compact design. So here's everything important you need to know based on the latest leaks: release date and price. The launch is expected around April 23rd, 2026, and the price is likely to be around $500, with higher bundles going closer to $700 depending on accessories. First, look and design. From leaked images and packaging, the design is already quite clear. The Lito X1 is a compact foldable drone under 249 grams, which makes it lightweight, portable, and easy to carry anywhere. The overall design looks clean and modern, with extended arms, protected structure, and a refined layout that feels like a mix of DJI's mini-series and newer compact drones. It clearly looks built for everyday users who want something simple but powerful. Camera and video. This is where the biggest upgrade appears. The Lito X1 is expected to feature a 1/1.3 inch sensor with around 48 megapixels, which is a strong improvement for this category. It should support 4K video recording and high-resolution photos, with better low-light performance compared to cheaper drones. So even though it's not a flagship drone, the camera is clearly designed for serious content creation. Features and performance. The Lito X1 is expected to bring some advanced features that are not common in this price range. It may include LiDAR-based obstacle sensing, which helps improve safety and allows the drone to avoid obstacles more accurately. There's also support for long-range transmission, making it more reliable for stable video connection during flights. On top of that, leaks suggest built-in storage, improved battery life, and smoother flight performance, making it a well-balanced drone overall. The DJI Lito X1 looks like a strong option for users who want a compact drone with better camera quality and smart features without going into the premium price range. For more quick drone leaks and tech updates, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.